Hi everyone. I just wanted to do a quick review on the YogiStretch iron leg stretcher. I received it a while ago. I've been using it. I like it a lot. It took about 2.5 weeks to come in. Just wanted to, I couldn't really find much on it before, but I wanted to show you guys. So basically, there's like 3 little legs here, and you can adjust the height of each leg with this little button here. It locks in, but you can bring it out. I have to bring it out all the way because I'm pretty tall. I'm 6'3", but yeah. So you can see it gets a lot bigger. But basically, I'm gonna go ahead and use it for you guys to show you, what it does. So I'm gonna adjust it to my height. There. So now it's locked in. So basically you just get your legs inside here. I'm gonna try to show you guys. I'm pretty flexible, but this is good. It helps me stay in position. Hold on. So basically you just pull this in, and this also adjusts this middle piece here. So if you want to go like even further into the split, you can make this piece a little bit smaller so that you have more room to push it back. But yeah, so like I can't normally stretch this far, but with this thing it helps me. Now you can just stay in this position. Here, let me get to the side to show you guys. It's not like a full split, but it's good enough to where yeah, you can kind of tell how, and now if I let this go, I can kind of sit in that same position for a little bit, and take deep breaths. It'll help you stretch. But yeah, so I definitely like the product, and I spent $50 on it. It was free shipping, and it's worth it. I mean, a lot of times you buy stuff and you don't really use it, but if you make use of this, it could come into your benefit. But yeah, so overall, I like it. The only thing I would say is, shipping takes like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but it's expected. Anyways, I really enjoy the product, and yeah, so if you guys want it, YogiStretch.com. That's where I bought mine. Thanks.